And well, let's talk a little bit about the weather today. We've been pretty seasonable, mild overall, upper 50s, low 60s. We saw a little rain earlier in the day, but not a whole lot. And we're going to be dry, at least for most of tonight. That rain, though, will move back in Tuesday, tomorrow, really during the morning. I do think that in the next few hours, though, we're going to stay pretty quiet. We're seeing some sun and some blue sky, at least until the sun goes down. And temperatures right now still in the 50s and 60s for most. It's a good night, maybe go out on the porch, grill a little bit, do some of that outdoor social distancing. It is going to be a little cool tonight, but not quite as nippy as we've been. Colder, though, tomorrow night. And we do have several nights ahead where frost could still be possible. So if you've got the plants, listen up. You need to make sure you're taking those indoors at night in some of these instances. Let's talk about tonight, though. Satellite and radar not showing much right now, but give it time. We've got some energy to our west. There's a frontal boundary out here that's going to slide our way. So by 5, 6 a.m. in the morning, we're going to see some rain starting to move back into our area. We're not talking about anything too heavy, nor are we really talking about a severe weather threat, but that front again comes in tomorrow, and it will bring us some locally heavy rain at times, especially through the morning and through the early afternoon. But after that, it looks to kind of taper off. And you can see this on Futurecast. Let's take a close look. Again, tonight, as I mentioned, not quite as cold. Part of the reason is we've got cloud cover that's going to roll in quickly after midnight, and that kind of helps heat go back down to the surface of the earth. So temperatures tonight in the 40s for most. Here we are, though, past midnight, and that front's coming in pretty hot. We are going to see some rain showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder in there. Early tomorrow morning, they'll be on and off. We may get a break in there, but they'll be on and off through at least lunchtime, and then we get to 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, everything kind of starts to fade off. We could see some sun before the sun sets, a little cooler tomorrow, but most of us still make it into the 50s. Behind that front, though, tomorrow night, a cold night. Again, if you've got the sensitive plants, cover them up, bring them indoors. Temperatures will actually fall into the 30s, could have some upper 20s too in some of those sheltered valleys. We're nice on Wednesday, though. Plenty of sun. Highs should actually push 60 on Wednesday. Again, not too concerned about a flooding threat or severe threat as of now. As far as rain totals go with this quick moving front tomorrow, we're looking at around 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, maybe a 1/2 inch at best in some spots, but it will be windy. The gusts have already started to pick up out there a little bit. It's already a little breezy, and wind gusts could be over 30, 40 miles an hour throughout the day tomorrow and tomorrow night as that front's coming in and it's moving out. So we still could see some tree limbs come down because they're still hanging there or weak from the last round of severe weather we had. So keep that in mind. Again, overnight tonight in the 40s, tomorrow back in the 50s. Again, we could be a little gusty at times. Otherwise, just some showers to go around, but we should have a nice day Wednesday. Staying seasonable rather the rest of the week. Could see some more showers though by Thursday into Friday.